So hello guys, welcome back to Spasi. So in this video I will show you my November month profit from Exness. So on Exness you can trade Forex market, and I am using Exness from over a year, and this platform is very good. So guys, I only trade on gold because I have found a strategy that works fine on gold chart. So now let's go to my Exness personal area, and you can see my account has 110 USD, and guys, I have made all the profits using only this capital. Okay, I have only $100 and I have made all the profits using this money, and I have withdrawn all of the profits from Exness. Also I will show you my performance tab. After clicking it, you can see in 365 days I have made 61 USD profit. You will say that it is very less because you can see my close order is only 21, and if I scroll down you can see I have only traded in the month of Jan 2023 and on the month of November 2023, because where I was from here to here. So guys, the reason is because I was preparing for my exams, my college semester exams, so I was not able to trade on these months, and now again I am free, so I have started trading again. And if you can see, I first created my account in Jan and traded, and I have made 33 USD profit, and in the month of November I have made only 28 USD profit. Ratio, I have made 15 trades in profit and 6 trade in unprofitable. If you see my overall profit, which is 110 USD, and the loss is 49 USD. Now let's go to the withdrawal part. I will show you how much I have withdrawn from my account. On the transaction history, if I click on last 30 days to custom date range and I select the date from where I started my account, which is January 2023, from January 2023 to 29 November. So if you can see, I have withdrawn 26 USD, which is done, and 1 USD for testing to Binance. And if I show you, I have added 111 USD on 16 Jan and withdrawn 145 USD on 24 Jan. So you can see in the span of only 8 days, in the span of only 8 days I have made a profit of around 35 USD. After that I have deposited 109 USD in the month of 14 November, and again I have made some profits and I have withdrawn 26 USD from this amount. So you can see how my, and if I show you my trade history, so you can see on my accounts, and if I go to trade history, Exness terminal, on closed orders, you can see I only trade in gold. Okay, I only trade in gold. So guys, this was my journey on Exness. Exness is a very good platform. So I have also created my premium Telegram channel. If you wanted to follow my trades, you just have to create your Exness account using my link, which is given in the description. You can click the description of this video and click on the link and create Exness account from my link. After creating Exness account from my link, you can contact me on my Twitter. You can message me on my Twitter. You have to share your account details with me in the message, and I will add you to my premium Telegram channel, where I post trades which I am personally going to take. Okay, so it is very serious. If you want to make money from Exness, you can join my premium Telegram channel by creating account using my link. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next video.